Man, shawty.
Trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dabbing, bitch. I'm trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dabbing, bitch. I'm trapping and rapping and dab, trapping and rapping and dab.
Finna cut the camera on too, goddamn. What up, gang? Got my daughter with me. Got the doodle monster. Y'all know we in Glow, man. We about to get in some traffic. Nigga just tried to trade my old square body for it, but we ain't going. They wanna sell that motherfucker, we'll buy it, though. Yeah, I don't know what we finna do today, though. I'm trying to get down, turn a couple posts. If we don't, y'all just hang out with me, man. We gonna ride the city for a minute, if that. Let me turn y'all on time lapse right quick, man. Let y'all get in traffic. To do YouTube, so I guess I'll just clean out the GP, so put that general time out for a minute. Shit, we didn't do much today, but we did get a vacuum out. I did want to clean up a little bit. I can't wash her up, cause ain't on that Sprite finna dry her up. So hey, did something today. I had to do something today, man. Watch her get all that dirt off. She's not gonna be goddamn handy. What y'all think about that pinstripe though? Y'all think I did alright with that pinstripe? Dirt off her, boy. She gonna be right. Yeah, man, I'll get over with y'all, man. Let y'all know we gonna do the day still early. Might get some cracking. You know, ready to get my top down now, man. Ready to get the top down. Big Joe. Yeah, man, we'll turn y'all back on.
Who is it? It's Sammy, man. Man, I ain't serving nobody on no, man. Nobody. Got me fucked up. Got a chop whooping dope up on the stove. Still serving out of bando. Fiend cut a knock it at my dope. Made $100,000 off the beat folk. I made $100,000 off the beat folk. I made made $100,000 peephole. When I get it, I'm telling bitch I'm selling. I made $100,000 peephole. Got a chop whooping dope up on the stove. Still serving out of bando. Fiend cut a knocking at my door. Made $100,000 peephole. I made $100,000 peephole. I made $100,000 peephole. When I get it, I'm telling bitch I'm selling. I made $100,000 peephole.